How to amend a tax return on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be explaining on how to amend your tax return using the TurboTax based on information from the TurboTax support page. So if you have already filed your tax return with the TurboTax but need to make changes, you cannot retrieve the original return. However, you can amend it and file a new version using the TurboTax, and you may need to file an amend return if you have received additional documents or tax forms in the mail. You need to correct errors on your return, and you need to add or remove a dependent, or if you want to claim a credit or a deduction that you missed previously. So before you amend your return, you have to keep these important points in your mind. That is, ensure that you have received your refund or paid any taxes owed from your original return, and this helps avoid confusion with the government regarding your payments. Print a copy of your original return and keep it handy while you amend it in the TurboTax. You can only amend this year's return using this year's version of TurboTax, and if you need to amend a return from a previous year, use the version of TurboTax for that specific year as well. So to begin the amendment process, go back to the TurboTax, open the return you previously submitted, and click on the first link on the page to amend your return, and only amend your return if you really need to make changes. Make sure you wait until you have received your refund or paid your taxes, and keep a copy of your original tax return nearby, and use the correct version of the TurboTax for the year you're amending. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe for more amazing tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.